Hey, Carl. Did you fix the ice maker yet?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Better call a repairman.
What for?
Carl, fixing things is a talent you don't have.
Well, now, I fixed the dryer and it works just fine.
Yes, and then it exploded. Your mother was beaned by the lint trap.
Well, she was only out for a few minutes.
Let's see. Refrigerator repair.
Excuse me. Would it kill you just to give me a little support? A teeny tiny vote of confidence, huh? Would it?
Carl.
But no! You make snide remarks about explosions. You dredge up the ancient lint trap incident. Well, you know what, Harriet? There should be a country called Naysayer. And you would be queen of the naysayers.
Carl.
Well, I am the king of this household, Queenie. And the king says that there will be no repairman because the king has fixed the fridge himself.
Nice work, almighty king.
Well, let's see. Refrigerator repair.